Let's go to number 5. Use Agile strategy framework design. First, we have to clarify which aspect of Agile are we talking about. An Agile organization? No. It's a good thing, but that's not the topic for design. Agile techniques, Scrum, also great, can be useful in many places in strategy design perhaps, but that's not what we're talking about here. We're talking here about Agile design philosophy. And that design philosophy that came out of software design, is the idea of creating a minimum viable design first and then evolving it. So in software, the problem was they would build software and then launch it, and it would have all kinds of problems because they never got the feedback from the customers, from the supply chain, and they had to get to the point where they start small and evolve over time. The Agile design philosophy is inherently adaptive and emergent. So here's some pictures that we can use to describe the difference between an Agile and a non-Agile design. Instead of a cascade like this, okay, first we're going to define our aspiration, and we're going to do market research and diagnose and all that stuff and get our scenarios and strategy plans, metrics, and then we'll be done. And we go in order, and often this is done on a schedule where there is a set sequence. What would be an Agile difference? It would be to create as much of the framework as you need to think about it as a whole, a minimum essential draft, and then work and revise that draft over and over until it's good enough. Just like the software started with a minimum essential working app, and then revised and revised with customer feedback, people using it until it was good enough.